अतुल सरनुरे.
हाय.
सर, वसंतीन पोतून घात घेतलो.
हय मरे.
आता तरी सोडून दी रेत का.
शे, आमचे मिलन तुमका समजचे ना. सोडून दिवचे उलोव नाकात. तिका गॅरेजीन दुखलून व्हरूंक मात मदत करा.
1 मिनिट राव सर.
अरे कळटा मरे कितें ना जाल्यार मारून उडोवशी तिका.
सर चिल.
वा, हातीचो खेळ मरे तुमचो.
सर ऑल राऊंडर आम्ही ते दोल्ल्या.
थँक्यू हा. बाय द वे, वसंतीच्या बोवाळान तुका वीट करूंक विसरलो. शाबास, बरें उडयलें तुमी. आय एम रियली हॅपी विथ युअर ग्रेड्स.
Sir, all because of your blessings, huh?
बरे, मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ युअर अचीवमेंट्स. एक मात याद दवरात. इट्स गोइंग टू बी टफ, बट यू नीड टू बी टफर.
Sure sir, we won't disappoint you.
A little of love, a little of hope, living life with a smile every day. A little of fun, a little of grace, aiming high for the sky, come what may. Have no fear, I'm always near, says the Lord. I'll be the way. A little of love, a little of hope, living life with a smile every day.
I like your approach. And you do have the capabilities. Now let's go to the $1 million question. How much salary would you expect?
Well ma'am, if you think I'm capable enough and I do have the qualifications, I think 35 to 40,000.
35 to 40,000? Ha 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 ha.
Did you? आज कितना पढ़ला?
So, boss, how was it yesterday?
They want us to slog it out, but won't pay what we deserve.
Saiba bogus. Not again, yeah.
Why does it always happen to me?
You think it's a joke? It's the same world we are living in, my friend. I never mentioned this to you before, but last week I was there for an interview.
And then,
I was waiting for my turn, and suddenly, the peon shows up
And
he calls out to the girl sitting next to me and calls her by the side. Although I couldn't hear much, but their actions spoke louder than their words.
जे ते ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ती
Kai na? She took out a bundle of cash and handed it over to the peon. Must have been over a lakh.
ओ मागीर
मागीर आनी कितें? तें ऑफिसांत आनी हांव घरा.
जे ह्या आनी कितें चल्लां शिकोन फायदोच ना. Even yesterday's newspaper, 100 government jobs and 5,000 applicants. ह्या आनीक सोंसपाचें आमचें आनी कोंत आसा.
Let's not be too negative यार. अपना भी टाइम आएगा.
हां कितें ओके बरें येता. चल रे हांव येता.
मागीर मेळया. अरे पडले मरे अंकल.
पेवटेन कांय पडूंक ना म्हणून पेवटेन घातले रे बाबा. पेवटेन पडले मागीर नुस्तें.
सीमाव कितें जालें?
कितें जालें? कितें जालें म्हणून विचारताय? आख्खी रातभर हांवें नुस्तें मारलें पूण कांयच मेळोंक ना.
चल आनीक एक पावटी रांपोण घाल.
बरें दुनिया, तूं सांगताय जाल्यार हांव पोत्तून घालता. आन रे
14-15 रिंग आठ रे बाप.
Hey, Kite, you're working in a garage?
So what?
Then why did you graduate?
Kenny, sometimes things don't work out as we have planned. I don't intend to work here forever, but I also don't want to remain idle. And besides that little money, I'm gaining experience. And the best part is, I'm happy. Actually, even you could join here.
Mario. You've lost it. You're only degrading yourself. I'd rather stay idle than get to this level.
Finally, it's your wish. But do give it thought.
Crazy.
किती आले रे? आंबे मोजी झाड दुसरे वाटेन घातली. म्हाका नुस्तें मेवलें. तो अजून सोदता.
A little of love, a little of hope, living life with a smile every day. A little of fun, a little of grace, aiming high for the sky, come what may.